Girl, I don't wanna try, I'm too lit. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. And you gon' decide when we get blown. I don't wanna try, I'm too lit. We don't need a.
So first, I want to start off with my bald cap method, and what I do is brush back my baby hairs with edge control. The edge control I usually use is called Edge Booster, so leave a white ashy residue like that. My hair is not dirty, so don't come for me. So here I am cutting holes in my wig cap, and then after I am going to spray my hairline with hairspray and let that completely dry. I do 3 layers of it. Now I am moving on to styling my wig. For today's style, I am going to do crimps. I usually don't do crimps because they take forever, but here I am doing them. So when it comes to crimping, I usually spray the hair with some oil sheen, and then I spray it with hairspray each piece that I'm crimping. I hold the crimper on each little small subsection for about 10 to 15 seconds. I feel like if you do it any less than 10 to 15 seconds, it's really not going to be defined and you're not going to see the crimps. Like I said, crimping takes a minute, so if you are going to do it, you must have patience.
We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. And you gon' decide when we get blown. I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gotta vibe and show it. All I wanna do is get you blown. Girl, I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. And you gon' decide when we get blown. I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gonna vibe and show it.
And here is the final look. I am finally done crimping it. It took me about an hour and a half, not even gonna lie, I was super slow. But here I am doing my bald cap method. I take my foundation that matches my skin tone and rub it all over. And now I am taking a pair of scissors and cutting off the rest of the bald cap.
I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. And you gon' decide.
By no means, this is not a frontal wig install tutorial video. I might come out with one of those very soon, but here I am putting on a thin layer of glue. I do about 3 of these. And once those layers are completely dry, I go in and stick my lace down.
I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. We don't need a sour and some slow.
You want to make sure that you do this as fast as possible because the moment the glue dries clear is the moment you want to stick that lace in there. She's looking a little ashy, a little white, but in a moment I will go off the camera and fix that.
We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. And you gon' decide when we get blown. I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gonna vibe and show it. All I wanna do is get you blown. And I don't wanna strive, I'm strive.
So now that I got rid of the ashy look, I am now going to cut off the rest of the lace that did not stick. I am using a razor and not a pair of scissors. And now I am going to take my scarf and make sure that I wrap up my hairline so that it can melt a little bit better and a little bit more. I recommend doing this before you do your baby hairs.
So now it's the next day and I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm probably gonna do like a light natural beat. I always say that and then look dramatic as hell, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try to look natural. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little eyeshadow, low concealer, a little foundation, some lashes. That don't sound simple, but it's simple in my world. By no means, I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't try to copy me because I do stuff the ratchet way, but it's okay. It gets the job done.
After blending out my foundation, I am taking this brown kind of purple tone eyeshadow and rubbing that all over my lid, and then taking this bronze shimmery gold and putting that in my crease. After that, I take my concealer and highlight under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead.
I just couldn't vibe with your. All I wanna do is get your.
Then I go in with some eyeliner. I've been wearing eyeliner since I was like in 7th grade, so I could probably do my eyeliner with both of my eyes closed. So once that's done, I go in and do my eyebrows. I am very ratchet and I use eyeshadow for my eyebrows. I know, do not judge me, but honestly, I've been doing this for a minute, so I'm just used to it. Then I go in with this lipstick as my contour. I actually learned this from another YouTuber. I like doing this because I am dark skinned, so it's easier nowadays because it is 2020, but it used to be really hard to find contour shades that actually worked for me. So I use lipstick. Now I am going to go in with my concealer. This concealer is like maybe 6 shades lighter than I am. I like using it. I like to look bright and dramatic. It just is what I like to use, so yeah. And once my concealer is all blended out, I go in and make sure I do my gold crease. I've been doing this since I was in 7th grade as well. I cannot go nowhere without me having eyeshadow in my gold crease, and also let's not forget my fake mole. I always do it. Then I go in with the same lipstick that I use to contour to outline my lips, and then I use this nude pink color, and then I top it off with some clear lip gloss. I absolutely love this combo. Last but not least, I put on some lashes.
So guys, that was my natural little beat. As you can see, my makeup routine is real ratchet. Like I said, I'm really not a makeup artist at all, or into makeup like that. I mean, I am, but I'm not. So I kind of do things the ratchet way, get it done fast, but still look cute at the end. So let's get into the final steps for my hair.
So now I am just going to take my hair out of the bonnet. There was something crusty in my hair that I could not figure out, but I got it out eventually. So they kind of look like they have been ran through the mud, my crimps. So I am going to take my hot comb and hot comb the top of my hair to flatten it out. Hot combs are crucial to wigs. If you are not hot combing your wig, you are not wearing it right, sis. Please hot comb your wig. So after I hot comb my wig, I go in with my crimper, and I'm just going to crimp the top layer of my hair. And here I am just running my mouth because I thought I was going to use the clip of me actually talking to you guys, but I decided to do the voiceover instead.
You don't need a sour some slow. I just gonna vibe with your, and you gonna decide we can blow.
Once I'm done with the top layer, I am going to take off my elastic band. Like I said previously, I think it's super important that you do this before you do your baby hairs. At least let the glue and the lace melt for like 24 hours.
It feels so good to take off your scarf after you had it on tight as shit. I like to tie it super tight just because I know that the lace will look super good. The tighter the better.
So once you take off your scarf, like I'm saying in the video, you are going to want to take your foundation brush and blend moving down. Don't put the makeup in your lace, just blend moving down so that you can get rid of that line where your elastic band was sitting. After that, I am going to touch it up one more time with the hot comb.
So guys, this is the final look. This is like my natural beat. As you can see, what I do is super ratchet. I don't really use a whole bunch of different makeup brushes. I use like maybe 4 brushes max. I use eyeshadow for my eyebrows. You know, don't come for me, but I'm just not into makeup like that, so whatever I feel works for me.
I love this hair. Some specs on this hair are, it is from this company called Princesslocs. You can find her on Instagram. This hair is 200 density, 26 inches, and the frontal is 13 by 6, which is amazing because the longer the part, the more natural it looks. If you do go and purchase this hair, make sure to use my code KEN to receive money off. But baby, can we get into this look? She looks like Beyonce's little cousin. Not Beyonce, but Beyonce's little cousin. Yes. And you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all social media platforms in the description box below. Thank you for sitting through this ratchetness and watching my video. I appreciate you so much. There will be more to come very soon.
All I wanna do is get you blown.